Good. Above your head and knee. Boof. Okay, over your shoulder. Slam. Boom. Over the other shoulder. Bam. Pick it up. Okay, high knee. Up. Hold it in. Boof. Boom. Good. Over your shoulder. Slam. Good. Stay in position. Follow your body weight with the thing when you slam it, okay? Above your head. Knee. Above your head. Knee. Remember, follow the grappling dummy to the ground when you slam it. Stay in a wide leg position. Like sumo. There you go. Follow it. Boom. There it is. Set it up. Okay, 2 more. And knee. And another knee. Okay, shoulder. Wide sumo. Follow it down. Ah! Other side, follow it with your shoulder. Boom. Okay, now lift it. That was perfect. Last one. Perfect. Good. Last slam. Follow it. Follow it. Boom. Good. And just stay down on the ground with it. Ah!